Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve a very interesting problem related to the Math Olympiad. Before start the session, please like, subscribe and share and comments. Let's start the session. So today we have to solve a equation. So let's see what we have. Find the integer solution of the following equation. What is the equation is x square minus y cube, x cube minus y cube is equal to 91. Now first we write the equation x cube minus y equal 91 and then we mark it as equation 1. So now we are going to simplify this left hand side by using the formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Then by using this we are now getting x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square equal to 91. Okay. So now we know that any square number is greater than equals to 0. So that means here x and y is nothing but the number integer. So that means we can write x minus y whole square greater than equals to 0. But you can ask why should we do this? Okay, actually we have the term x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square. Actually we need to identify the sign of this expression. Okay, we need to identify sign of this terms. So that's why we need to do this. So from here we can write x minus y whole square as a x square minus 2xy plus y square greater than equals to 0. Then we can write x square plus y square greater than equals to 2xy because we have minus 2xy here. So we need to switching the side of 2xy by putting the addition sign in front of 2xy. So now from here we can write x square plus y square greater than xy. See, x plus y square is greater than equals to 2 times xy. It should be greater than equals to 1 times xy because you can write, let me example, suppose 4 greater than equals to 2 into 1 we can write, that means 4 obviously greater than equals to 1 from here because this is 2 times this is getting smaller. Okay, so that's why this inequality holds. By the help of this inequality we can say that x square plus y square plus xy greater than equals to 0. Okay, so now from here we can see that this term is greater than equals to 0. Okay, so what will happen this term? This is will be greater than equals to 0 because there is a product of two number will be 91. So one of the number is non-negative, then the other number will also be non-negative because 91 is a non-negative positive number. Okay, so that means this is greater than equals to 0. So we are getting x minus y also greater than equals to 0 and also x minus y not equal to 0 and x square plus xy plus y square also not equal to 0. Why? Because see, this is 91, a non-negative, a positive number and is also non-zero number. So and we are getting two number which are also non-negative, but they must have to be positive because if we put 0 here, then any number you can multiply by 0, this will not get 91, so it will not satisfy the equation. So that's why this x square plus xy plus y square and this x minus y will have to be positive and also not equal to 0. So that means what we have now, we have the condition x minus y greater than 0 and x square plus xy plus y square also greater than 0. Okay, up to this step it will be fine, it is fine. Okay, let's go to the next step. So now we are factoring 91 like 7 times 13 equal to 91. Then we can say that x minus y can be 7 and x square plus xy plus y square can be 13. We can write 91 and 1. Actually, why we are writing this type of things? Because here you see the condition. The condition is x minus y greater than 0 means the first number should be greater than 0 and the second number should be greater than 0. So from each of these two cases are greater than 0. And the third case, there is another case, 13 times 7 is also 91. This is also greater than 0. Okay, and the fourth case, 1 into 91, this is also 91. But apart from that, there is another case, you can see minus into minus 91, this is also 91, but we can't take this case, this type of cases. Why? Because we strictly say that the first term should be greater than 0 and the next term should be greater than 0. Okay, so that's why this type of things will not appear in our case. So now we have 4 cases. So what we have? So the case 1, in the case 1 what we have? X minus y equal to 7 means this case, and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 13. For the next case, what we have? X minus y equal to 91 means this case, and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 1. For the third case, we have x minus y equal to 13 and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 7 equal to 91. And for the last one, the last case, x minus y equal to 1 and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 91. Okay. So now we are going to solve each of the system of equation. Okay, and try to find the solution, means integer solution of our equation. So let's go to the case 1. First, what is case 1? X minus y is equal to 7 and x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 13. We are marking the equation by A and B. Now from the equation we can write x equals to y plus 7 plus y. Okay, why? Well, we need to solve for x. Here y is in subtraction. If you switching the side of y, this will become addition. So that's why x equal to 7 plus y. Now we are going to replace x by 7 plus y in this equation. Okay, so what we have? So what we are going to do? Here is x square, here is x. So we want to replace this 7 plus y in here and try to rewrite the equation B. Then we are getting y plus 7 whole square, because you see from x this and from this x we are writing y plus, and rest of the thing as it is. So now if we simplify this one, it will become y square plus 14y plus 49 plus y times y, it means y square, y times 7 means 7y plus y square. Okay, equal to 13. So from here we can write y square, 3y square, sorry, this is y square, 1y square and another y square, 3y square plus 14y, not 14y, this will be 14y and 7y, this is 21y. And then we have 49, my 49 is equal to 13. So if you switching the side of 13, this will become subtract and the right hand side there will be 0. So that means 3y square plus 21y plus 49 minus 13 is equal to 0. So this will become 6. 36 plus 3y square plus 21y is equal to 0. So this will be our next equation, simplified form. So now we have this one, 3y square plus 21y plus 49 equals to 13. And then we are factoring, where this will become 36. So we already told you 3y square plus 21y plus 36 equal to 0. So from here we are factoring 3 out. Okay, means we are dividing the whole equation by 3, then this will become y square 7y plus 12 equals to 0. Okay, next we are going to factor, but how can you write this? Oh, you can use the algebra to find a solution for y. You can use the quadratic law, and you can use by these simple things. By we can write 4y plus 3y plus 12, because we can break 12 as 4 times 3. Okay, so now from here we are getting this one, y plus 3 times y plus 4 is equal to 0. So now from here one solution will come from here, y plus 3 equal to 0, and another solution will give y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, then we can write y equal to minus 3. From y plus 3 equal to 0, from here we are getting y equal to minus 3, and then from y plus 4 equal to we are getting y equal to minus 4. Then just we need to find a value of x, and now we are going to using this equation, x equal to 7 plus y. So that means x equal to 7 plus y. In the place of y we are putting minus 3. Then our from here also x equal to 7 plus y. In the place of y we are putting this minus 4. Okay, so now x 7 minus 3 equal to 4, and now here we are getting all the solution for this system. So that means what is the what is the solution? Solution is 4 minus 3 and 3 minus 4. So case 1 is solved and we find the integer solution for case 1. Now let's go to the case 2. For the case 2 we are taking x minus y equal to 91 and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 1. We are going to the similar approach. We again want to get x in terms of y. So that's why we are writing x equal to 91 plus y. And then we are again replacing x by 91 plus y in this equation b. So what we are getting? Y plus 91 whole square plus y times y plus 91 plus y square equal to 1. Okay. So from here we can write y square plus 91 square whole square means 91 whole square means 82 81. Okay, we can write this one plus 182y plus y square plus 91y plus y square is equal to 1. So now we can write y square plus 8281. How many y square we have? 3y square. So we can write 3y square 182y 9. This, if we add this one, this two terms, 2 3 8 9 17, 273y, and the is equal to 1. So we can write 3y square plus 273y plus 8281 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this thing is coming. So now the next thing is, there is 1, we are going to subtract this one from this, means we are subtracting the both side to the equation by minus 1, you can say. So that means the right hand side will be 0 and this will become 8280. 8281 minus 1, this will become 8280. So what we have? 3y square plus 273y plus 8280 equal to 0. Now we are dividing this whole equation by 3. So that will become y square, this will become 91y, and this will be 2760. Okay. Now the main thing, could you tell me this will give you an integer solution or not? Okay, let's see. So for that reason, we are now going to compute what is b square minus 4ac. Okay, let me remind you. Suppose you have the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It will have real solution if and only if b square means the coefficient of x minus 4 times ac will be less than 0. So now what is our b square here? 91. Now it will be minus 4ac, because if we need the integer solution, the solution must have to be real. Okay, if there is no real solution, then there will be no integer solution. So for that purpose we are going to find the b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So that's why we are going to find 91 square minus 4, ac is 1, c is 2760, and you can calculate it. It will come 8281 minus 11 by using calculator, or by your hand you can do. It will become equal to minus 2759, which is less than 0. So now our b square minus 4 is less than 0. So from here what we can conclude? We can conclude that this equation does not have real solution. So this equation does not have any integer solution. So for the case 2 we are not getting any solution. Now let's go to the case 3. What is in the case 3? We have x minus y equal to 13, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 7. So from the equation 1 we are doing the same trick, x equal to 13 plus y. Now we are going to replacing x by 13 plus y in the equation b. So now from here what we are doing, we are substituting x by 13 plus y. So now y plus 13 whole square plus y times y plus 13 plus y square is equal to 7. Okay. So now we are going to simplify this one. So if you simplify this one by the by previous step, you can do by yourself also. This will become 3y square plus 39y plus 169 equal to 7. Now this will become 3y square plus 39y plus 162 equal to 0. And then we are dividing the whole equation by 3 and we are getting y square plus 13y plus 54. Now let using the quadratic law. What will be the y? Y equal to minus b, that is minus 13 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? That is 13 square minus 4 into 1 into 54 by 2a, which is become minus 13 plus minus which is 169. Okay, let me 169 minus 4 4 16 4 to 21 216. Okay, so again b square minus 4ac means this term. Okay, let me conclude this one also. What is b square minus 4ac? 13 square minus 4 into 1 into 54. So this is again 169 minus 4 to 216. So that's why the in the square root we are getting negative numbers. So this is 47 minus 47. Again it is less than 0. So from where we can conclude that this equation does not have also real solution. Okay. So that means this equation does not have any integer solution. Okay. So let's go to the next step. Case 4. This is our last case. In the case 4 we have x minus y equal to 1, x square plus x plus y square equal to 91. Again we are doing a similar process. From the equation we can write x equal to 1 plus y, and now we are replacing this x by 1 plus y in the equation b. Then what we have? We have simple equation y plus 1 whole square plus y times y plus 1 plus y square 91. So if we simplify this one, y square plus 1 plus 2y plus y times y square plus y square is equal to 91. So we get 3y square, this y square, this y square, this y square, plus 3y, 2y plus y, this one, plus 1 is equal to 91. This is very easy. So now we have 3y square plus 3y equal to 90, because 91 minus 90. Okay, let me show you the 91. So we can write 3y square plus 3y is equal to 91 minus 1, because this one is here positive sign, switching the side it will become negative, so that become 90. So therefore we have this equation. Now we are dividing the entire equation by 3, then it will become y square plus y minus 30 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so we can break it y square plus 6y minus 5y minus 30. Why we are breaking such way? Because we can write 30 equal to 6 times 6 times 5. That's how we can break in this way. So from here what we are getting, y, we are taking y common, this will become y plus 6, and from here we are taking minus 5 factor, this will become y plus 6 and equal to 0. From here we can write this will become y minus 5 times y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are getting this step. Now from here we are getting y minus 5 equal to 0 and also y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so therefore from here we are easily find y equal to 5, from here it will find y equal to minus 6, and then we are replacing this 5 in this equation to get the value of x equal to, since 1 plus y, so for this y we are replacing 5, so we are getting x equal to 1 plus 5. Similarly for here also we are, for this case also we are putting x equal to 1 plus y, where y is minus 6, so x equal to 1 minus 6, which is become minus 5, and this will become 6. So that means we have two solution, one is 6 5, another is minus 5, this minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, so we have completed all of our study for the each case. Let's go to what we have. For case 1, what we have, x minus y 7, x, whenever we take x square plus xy plus y square equal to 13, the solution is 4 minus 3 and 3 minus 1. For case 2, there is no solution. For case 2, what we have, x minus y equal to 91 and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 1. There is no solution, means no integer solution. For case 3, For case 3, x minus y equal to 13 and x square plus xy plus y square equal to 7. We have already shown this will also have no integer solutions. And then for case 4, what we have? X minus y equal to 1 and x square plus xy plus y, so 9 to 1. These have two solution. One is 6 5, one is minus 5 minus 6. So now we are going to the final answer. In the final answer, what we have? This all the solution of these equations are 4 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 6 5 and minus 5 minus 6. So we have how many solution? We have total 4 solution. We have total 4 solution. So I hope this will benefit you. Thank you. God bless you all.